Hi, Fiverr sellers. I have some important information about a beta feature called Available Now. Available Now is a new way to attract buyers by being online, ready to respond to messages, and start their orders right away. How do you qualify to take part in Available Now? First, you must have delivered at least 5 orders. Next, you must have less than 5 active orders. Finally, you must have a low cancellation rate. We also recommend that you have the mobile app and notifications switched on, so you're able to receive and reply to messages wherever you are. Okay, so you meet all the criteria. Now what do? Are you free to work? Great. Go to Fiverr.com, focused and ready. You can think about it as coming on shift. Click on the Available Now icon. Commit to respond to buyers' messages immediately. Commit to start any Available Now orders right away, and of course, deliver on time. The next time you go on shift, all you will need to do is set the toggle to on. Available Now is a great new way for you to stand out. However, we expect sellers to take it seriously, so it's very important that you remember to turn off the toggle when you finish your shift or are busy with something else. Please note that your toggle will be automatically set to off if you don't respond to a buyer's message within 5 minutes. If you're on shift and you don't respond to messages within 5 minutes 3 times, or you fail to deliver an Available Now order in the agreed delivery time, you will not be able to be a part of Available Now for the next 30 days. Currently, this feature is in beta. Our goal is to provide you with the best experience possible. Therefore, we'd appreciate any comments or feedback you may have.